Discover the real advantages of heat shock protein. Do you know what heat shock protein is and why you should discover it? Well, in this video, we're going to talk about the advantages of heat shock protein, so you might try it out. Welcome to Health Fruition, the #1 channel to help you in your health and wellness journey. Let's get started. But before anything else, if you're a new subscriber to this channel and want to learn more about health and medical advice, click the like and subscribe buttons to get updates on our new videos. Increasing the synthesis of heat shock protein, HSPs, provides a wide range of advantageous biological effects for everyone. They might also assist the body in repairing damaged and misfolded proteins, increasing the production of natural growth hormones and preventing disease-causing mutations. In other words, HSPs allow your body to benefit from diseases that, at higher dosages, could be lethal. The following advantages of heat shock proteins: repairing proteins that are misfolded and have been damaged, increase immune response, decreased free radical production, faster muscle repair and regeneration, cardioprotective measures, increased insulin synthesis. What are HSPs? Despite their size, HSPs are macromolecular. They were identified in the 1960s and have helped scientists and doctors rethink genetic mapping. Heat shock proteins are a family of highly conserved genes whose expression is stimulated by heat. HSPs help organisms up-regulate gene expression. HSPs are categorized by molecular weight and intracellular function. HSP90, HSP70, HSP60, and HSP100 are the most studied classifications. All molecular chaperones restabilize, rearrange, and regenerate intercellular order, the functions of HSPs. HSPs sustain any system's or organism's efficacy. An increase in HSPs in human physiology helps avoid neurological and autoimmune diseases. HSPs are formed when organisms experience significant temperature swings. When organisms are exposed to high or low temperatures, they create heat shock proteins. HSPs generated in response to environmental temperature stress help small and large organisms' intercellular atmosphere. HSP benefits. Increasing HSP production has many biological benefits for everybody. They may prevent disease-causing mutations, repair damaged proteins, and release more growth hormones. HSPs assist your body handling circumstances that could be fatal at greater doses. HSP benefits include protein refolding and repair, immune boost, free radical reduction, fast muscle repair, heart guard, more insulin. Here are 4 major types of HSP heat therapies. Number 1, exercise. Any workout that makes you warmer or sweatier than at rest may release heat shock proteins. Most research shows cardio's body benefits. After conducting eccentric contractions to ensure muscle tissue, studies indicate dramatic alterations in 2 heat shock proteins. This shows that squatting may release more proteins than running. Number 2, sauna infrared. Infrared heat penetrates deeper than direct touch. Near-infrared heat can penetrate the skin, soft tissues, and fat cells. Using an infrared sauna is an excellent approach to incorporating infrared heat into your health regimen or HSP generation because the temperature is adjustable and averages 100 degrees to 130 degrees Fahrenheit, allowing you to tolerate a more extended heat treatment session for additional therapeutic benefit. Number 3, jacuzzis. While a hot bath or shower won't be as intense as a sauna, you may receive a similar heat shock protein release. After being immersed in 40 degrees Celsius water for 1 hour, study subjects' HSP rose from 23 to 39%. Total body mass and body fat percentage accounted for 16% of the difference, and leaner individuals saw a more significant increase than others. Number 4, overlapping. Try layering up more than expected during your next exercise to decrease body cooling during rest intervals. A 2017 Journal of Sports Science study found that while HSP release on an arm crank ergometer increased, core body temperature rose. Consider this simple modification the next time you enhance HSP production if you wish to boost muscle growth and recovery. So, what do you think of the advantages of heat shock protein? Did it shock you? Let us know in the comment section below. Also, what about sharing your experiences with your fitness journey? We'd love to hear from you. Feel free to check out our other videos and comment your video suggestions down below, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified of new posts. Remember to take care of your health, and good luck on your fitness journey. We'll see you next time.